Hey, I wanted to talk about sandwich cooling and how much I love it. So, we're not talking about taking a ham and cheese to work with you in a lunchbox. We're talking about sandwiching a radiator between fans here. So, that's what I've done on this Z790 Pro build, 32 gigabytes DDR5. I am now a case modder, and I took the tin snips to the case to be able to fit this 360 millimeter DeepCool Castle all-in-one. It's just barely fitting in there, but I'm really happy with the temps and really happy with the performance. I've got an overclocked i7-12700kf in here, and I've got RTX 3060 12 gigabytes. I've got a triple stack of 120 millimeters, and I've got this twin 120 setup, and I put spacers in there to angle the flow, so it increases static pressure, but it also increases the CFM directly on the hot spots of the GPU. And it shows because I'm at 3440, 1440p high settings, Outer Worlds 2, and I mean, my hotspot is 75, card overall is 64, and then as far as my processor temps, it's nice. It's like in the 50s and 60s, and if anything, the GPU is probably bottlenecking this now because it's 5.1 overclocked on the performance cores, and then it's 4.0 overclocked on the efficiency cores. So started this build first. This is my first custom PC build, and I wanted to show the upgrades. Now we've got more square inches on the radiator. It's sandwich cooled all inside the case, and I'll do a GPU upgrade eventually, but for now I'm really happy with it. The next build is the R7-5700X3D. I'm just waiting on the Corsair Type 4 PCIe cables because this case was purchased on eBay, and that cable coming out of it is a 12 pin for a 40 series card, 40 series RTX card. So that should be a really good PC, pretty much my flagship. Even though it's AM4, even though it'll be DDR4, in some ways it'll be significantly faster than my i7-12700kf here. But for multitasking, for compiling, for software, programming, writing, and like compiling shaders, that kind of stuff in UE5 to get the test environment, it'll be significantly faster because of the multi-core performance. But for testing in UE5 and for running games and just for fun and snappiness, that'll be even faster because of the 96 megabyte L3 cache. So stay tuned. I've got another build after that in the works. It's a real budget build, 2400G in a 450 B450 motherboard, and I'm gonna put this RTX 3056 gigabyte in that with a 450 Apevia Spirit Power. That's gonna be a gift. And I've got a couple other gifts here. I've got Optiplex 7010. That's going for a Christmas gift. And I've got a Optiplex 3050 going for a Christmas gift also. And then finally, Next build will be the our next project. We'll be adding that Arctic 280mm to that i7-12700K. It's got a good overclock on it, 4.8 gigahertz, but I want to push it to like 5.1. So stay tuned. Also, it's going from 16 to 32 gigabytes RAM. I've been finding really good deals on RAM on eBay. So I'll blow up the spot a little bit, but Ramageddon has not affected used eBay RAM prices so much. But yeah, I mean, this is my only DDR5 RAM computer, and it's running an i7-12700 from like 5 years ago, right? So I'm still happy with it. It runs great for me. Really stable overclock, undervolted, 1.25 volts, and I am really getting into overclocking, so stay tuned for that. More overclocking on the way. 1.24 volts, 5100. I love this overclock. It's a really good one. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The Corsair cables are coming. They're on back order, but it says they'll be available tomorrow. We'll see. Corsair, please. I know you're a British company. You got a lot going on in Europe right now, but get your stuff together, Corsair, please. Thank you very much. That is all.